Alrighty, folks, so it's been a little bit since we've done a Bed Bath & Beyond stock update, and I figured, hey, why not? It's Friday. We might as well do one today, break down the charts, talk about what I'm looking to do. But before we actually dive into it, guys, before I forget, get your free money from Moomoo, up to 16 stocks, each up to $2,000. They're the sponsor of today's video. All you guys have to do is go down below, open up your account, fund it with at least $100. You get 5 stocks right off the bat, and fund your account at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks. And fund your account at least $5,000 on top of those 15 stocks. And by the way, each of those are valued up to $2,000. You also get a free share of either Tesla stock or Google, guaranteed. And guys, that part of the promo is limited time. You have 2 more days to get your Google or Tesla stock, so use that link down below. And of course, that is an affiliate link. I appreciate you all as always. And with that being said, cheers, let's dive into it. So check it out. It's currently about 10:45, 11 a.m. So we're about an hour and a half into the session, and the markets in general are kind of all over the place here. We have the Nasdaq up 0.4%, the Dow's up 0.2%, the S&P's at break even, as we have the Russell down 1.5%, and the VIX is up 0.5 to about 0.6%. And a lot of stocks out there, guys, at least on my watch list, I don't know about your watch list, but they're all over the place. I mean, we have, stocks like, AMC, stocks like Enphase, Palantir, SoFi, those are all selling off right now, but stocks like, let's say, AMD, Nvidia, Humana, Microsoft, Activision, those are all in the green. So let's break down Bed Bath & Beyond, then maybe later in the video we'll wrap back around and break down some other tickers, so make sure you guys stick on throughout. So right now, BBBYQ is one of those green ones, guys. Look at that, up around 7%, up 2 cents so far on the day, and we're back over 30 cents per share. Pretty good, guys, considering yesterday we hit 28.5. That was at about 3 p.m. So right at the start of Power Hour, guys, BBBYQ got hit to about 28.5. Then we saw a bit of a pop into close. We got back over 30 cents per share. And now, guys, again, we're up 7%, and pretty much right out of the gate, guys, right out of open, this thing has been running. We opened up at about, let's see, 30 and a half cents. Then we got to move to about 33 cents. That was about 30 minutes ago, and we've just been consolidating at that point, 32, 33 cents ever since. And really, it's been for the past, over hour at this point that we've been holding 32 to 33 cents. So BBBYQ is looking pretty good right now on the intraday. We're taking out the highs from yesterday. We're up 7% on the day. We're seeing a golden cross, all that good stuff. And on the 5-day, 5-minute, guys, look at that. We're starting to break above the highs from yesterday, day before. So we're at a 5-day, 5-minute high right now, and we're starting to, change direction, in my opinion, and pick direction to the upside. And look at this, guys. If I pull up the 10-day chart, let me show you this. We're also above the moving averages on this time frame, but not quite yet above the highs from the beginning of this month. Being the 5th of this month, about exactly 9 days ago, we hit about 33 cents. So that point needs to break. So right off the bat, guys, I'm going to set my alert, at least one alert here, at 33 cents. Let me do that now. Mark is out. We're above 33 cents. And if that point were to break, guys, let me pull up maybe the 20-day chart. We could start making a move towards, I'd argue 36, 37 cents. Let me draw this out. Right there, boom, 36, 37, then maybe 38 cents is where we could be going next, 39 after that, if that even plays out, guys. Of course, this company, this stock is very risky, probably one of the riskiest stocks out there, and everything could go to zero, guys. In full disclosure, I own a little bit of this stock, very little small position at 41 cents, and I've been holding for months, a couple months at this point, and I'm not looking to add any more. I'm not going to lie. I'm just holding on and letting it ride out, and it's with a very small amount of money that I'm willing to lose. And in my opinion, I'm not telling you guys what to do, but if you're messing with a stock like this or any other stock for that matter, put an amount of money in that you're willing to lose, especially if it's a penny stock, it's super risky, right? Keep that in mind. So yeah, man, that's a quick little breakdown here on Bed Bath & Beyond. The stock looks like it's slowly starting to gain momentum to the upside. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments, as always, and hit that like button and make sure to subscribe. Subscribing is literally free, and we're almost at 30,000 subs, guys, so do that. I appreciate you all. As always, hit that notification bell while you're at it. And before we talk about some other tickers here, look at what's going on with BBBYQ on the 4-hour chart. We're above the moving averages on this time frame as well, and we arguably have a cup. Well, I guess this is a cup and handle. Do you guys see what I'm seeing? We have the cup right here, boom. Then we have the handle right here. This, by the looks of it, I mean, is poised to break out. Now, are we getting the full breakout yet? No. Like I said, we have to wait to break 33, 35, 37 cents. But it looks like it could be getting ready to do that. It's, it looks like it's right on the verge of doing that. And now that I'm looking at this, 35 cents was the high from the end of May as well. So this point is huge. 35, 33, 37 cents. So get ready, guys. I'm getting ready. And again, I'm not in this with a crazy position. I'm not looking to add a crazy amount of shares, but it is fun. I mean, it is entertaining watching Bed Bath & Beyond stock and, watching these crazy fluctuations. And I'm not going to make, a crazy amount of videos on the stock, but maybe 1 or 2 or maybe 3 per month from now on. We'll see how it ends up playing out. Maybe just once a week, do an update on it. Maybe every Friday. I don't really know how we're going to do that. But, today it's up 7% so far, and, it's starting to break out potentially. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Like I said, I'd love to know where your heads are at. And let's run through some other tickers right now that are doing pretty well. We have AMD up 3.7%, and my goodness, guys, look at that. This thing is starting to break out again. So we pulled back from 133 to about 105. We held that for a couple weeks, from the end of June up until about, no joke, yesterday. We were consolidating between 110 to about 115, and now we're completely breaking out, up 4%, up over $4 per share, and now we're above the 180 SMA, and we're taking out 117, which is so big, guys. That was support back in, I believe, the end of May, early June. You guys can see right here if I zoom in. End of May, early June, we held 117 as support, and obviously we fell through it in the end of June, which then it became resistance, right? So now, with today's move, we broke back over 117, which again became resistance as we dumped under it a couple of weeks ago. So now we're trading in this brand new gap, brand new range, whatever you want to call it, between 117 to about 125 was the high from, when was this? The beginning of June. So that's where it looks like it's playing right now. We're filling the gap. I mean, if I zoom in a little bit, you guys can see. Looks like we're filling the gap up to about 123.4 now. I mean, sure, we're only at 120 right now, but it looks like earlier in the day, wait a second, we were at 122 earlier in the day, and it's only 11 o'clock, guys, not even, so we still have all day, 5 more hours of trading, so anything could happen. So in my eyes, the way I'm looking at AMD here is, look, 125 could be next. That's the next target. If that were to break, guys, in my opinion, based on this chart, 130, 133 is coming after that. It's not guaranteed. Nothing's guaranteed in the stock market. Nobody knows what's going to happen. Trading, involves a lot of risk. Obviously, you guys should know that by now. So I'm going to set my alerts at $125. One alert at 125. We'll do that now. Mark is at or above. I'll do another one at maybe 133, mark is at or above. And let's see, maybe I'll throw one in at 122. Why not? Let me do that. Mark is at or above. $122 per share. So that's AMD. It looks like Nvidia is also, I mean, what else is freaking new, right? Nvidia is also making a move. And look at that, guys. The ascending triangle we called out, I think 2 days ago, is playing out on Nvidia beautifully. You guys can see that's, a full breakout right now, no doubt about it. Shopify, we also called out the ascending triangle, and look at that. Boom, we're exploding right now. We can see the break above 65. Now we're pushing to $70, looking great. So that played out beautifully. Not to toot my own horn, but did we not call this out on this YouTube channel, guys? Which is why it's so important for you to subscribe. Hit that notification bell. It's completely free of charge. No joke, guys. It is free to subscribe. And I'm not going to sugarcoat it and BS you all. I mean, now that we do have this, triangle playing out on Shop and Nvidia, they are getting overbought again, no doubt. But the bulls are, I mean, holy crap, the bulls are here to play, no doubt about it, and we'll see, if this thing starts pulling back, kind of what happens now after the triangle we called out ended up playing out. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Feel free to hit that like button and to subscribe. Don't forget to also get your free money for a Moomoo, up to 16 stocks, each up to $2,000. All you guys have to do is use that link down below, open up your account, fund it with at least $100. You get 5 stocks, each up to $2,000 right off the bat, and fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks. And listen to this, guys. Fund your account at least $5,000 for 2 more days. The clock is ticking, guys. You get another free share of either Tesla stock or Google, guaranteed. And again, guys, the clock's ticking. Use that link down below. And of course, that is an affiliate link. It helps out the channel. I appreciate you all, as always. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys. Oops, almost spilled my coffee. I'll catch you guys in the next video.